Hoot hoot, says Gonzo. Careful. What you doing? Don't grunk at me. How rude. Oh, what you doing? What are you doing, cutie pie? I don't want to make you jump when you're near the edge. Are we making our way to the treetop? Oh, we are. We are. Oh, what a good baby. What a good boy. Yay, Gonzo. No, that won't work. You really can't escape me. You really can't, Gonzo. Oh, what a good baby. What a good boy. Hoot hoot, yes, I know.